Bullish Pepe cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Pepe cost could reach $0. Bearish Pepe cost expectation for 2023 is $0. In this Pepe cost expectation 2023, we will break down the value examples of Pepe by utilizing exact merchant cordial specialized examination pointers and furthermore foresee the future development of the digital currency. What is Pepe? A deflationary memecoin sent off on Ethereum is Pepe. Pepe presents an interesting contribution inside the image coin market by expanding upon the tradition of Pepe the Frog, a person with a long-standing and dubious history. Pepe's consuming instrument further features its particular nature, planning to keep up with shortage inside the market. Pepe is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain, which is gotten by the evidence of stake agreement instrument. The centralized validators stake 32 ETH to handle exchanges and secure the organization. Pepe value expectation 2023. Pepe positions 80th on CoinMarketCap in conditions of its market capitalization. The outline of the Pepe price expectation for 2023 is made sense of underneath with a day-to-day time span. In the above graph, Pepe spread out a climbing channel design. Climbing channel design, otherwise called the rising channel. The upper and lower pattern lines that interface the record-setting paces all around separately seem to move inside a rising slant. This example is by and large a quality of a bullish pattern. At the hour of investigation, the cost of Pepe was recorded at $0. On the off chance that the example pattern proceeds, the cost of Pepe could arrive at the obstruction levels of $0. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of Pepe might tumble to the help of $0 and $0. Pepe opposition and backing levels. The graph given underneath clarifies the conceivable obstruction and backing levels of Pepe in 2023, according to the above examination. In the event that fundamental considerations bulls start to lead the pack, it could hit an advancement its opposition level of $0. On the other hand, assuming fundamental considerations bears rule the pattern, the cost of Pepe could plunge to $0. Pepe value expectation 2023. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The specialized examination pointers like relative volume, moving normal, and relative strength file of Pepe are displayed in the diagram underneath. The specialized examination marker relative volume is utilized to quantify the exchanging volume of a resource connection to its new typical volumes. It is commonly determined by separating the ongoing day's exchanging volume by the normal volume over a predefined period, like the beyond 20 or 50 exchanging days. Likewise, it helps dealers in distinguishing surprising exchanging movement and changes market opinion. At the hour of investigation, the RVOL of Pepe was found beneath the end line. In this manner, it signifies a frail volume of members exchanging the latest thing. The following specialized pointer is the moving normal. This force marker is utilized to streamline cost information and recognize patterns on the lookout. Besides, it helps in computing the typical cost of a resource over a particular period. Especially, the 50-day moving normal assesses the typical shutting cost of the resource throughout recent days. At the point when the cost of a resource is above 50 MA, it is viewed as in an upswing, and whenever laid beneath 50 MA, it is in a downtrend. Outstandingly, in the above outline, the Pepe cost lies over 50 MAMA, demonstrating its upturn. Subsequently, Pepe is in a bullish state, albeit this is the present status. A pattern inversion could happen. Next up is the overall strength list. Essentially, this investigation pointer assists dealers with deciding the strength and force of a resource's cost development over a particular period. In this examination, the RSI is determined by contrasting the normal additions and misfortunes of the resource over the beyond 14 periods. The subsequent worth lies between a scope of 0 and 100. Consequently, the readings over 70 show an overbought state, and under 30 demonstrate an oversold state. Essentially, brokers frequently utilize the RSI to recognize potential pattern inversions or to affirm the pattern's course. For example, assuming a resource is in an upswing and the RSI comes to an overbought perusing of 70, it might propose that the resource is expected for a pullback or rectification. On the other hand, on the off chance that a resource is in a downtrend and the RSI is in an oversold perusing of 30, it might propose a likely inversion. At the hour of investigation, the RSI of Pepe is at 61.55. Thusly, this demonstrates Pepe is almost in an overbought state. Likewise, this affirms that Pepe conveys a purchase signal. Pepe value expectation 2023. ADX, RVI in the beneath outline. We examine the strength and unpredictability of Pepe utilizing the accompanying specialized examination markers, normal directional record and relative unpredictability file. From the above graph, we can decipher that the cost activities Pepe is a divergent pattern concerning BTC and ETH. This shows that when the cost of BTC and ETH increments, the cost of Pepe diminishes. Furthermore, when the cost of BTC and ETH diminishes, the cost of Pepe increments. Pepe Value Forecast 2024 to 2030 with the assistance of the previously mentioned specialized investigation pointers and pattern design. Let us foresee the cost of Pepe somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030. Pepe Value Expectation 2024 in the event that bulls rule the value force in pattern designs. Pepe could effectively test and outperform its opposition levels to hit $0 2024. Pepe Cost Expectation 2025 The critical redesigns in the Pepe environment could convince the passage of an expanded number of financial backers. This may ultimately help the Pepe cost to reach $0 2025. Pepe Value Forecast 2026 If Pepe effectively tests its significant obstruction levels and keeps on moving potential gain, then, at that point, it would mobilize to hit $0. Pepe Value Forecast 2027 If Pepe supports significant opposition levels and stands as a superior speculation choice on the lookout, then, at that point, Pepe would revitalize to hit $0. Pepe Value Expectation 2028 If Pepe holds a positive market opinion in the midst of the profoundly unpredictable crypto market by driving critical cost rallies, then, at that point, Pepe would hit $0 2028. Pepe Value Forecast 2029 In the event that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Pepe, then, at that point, the crypto would observe significant spikes. Consequently, Pepe could hit $0 2029. Pepe Value Expectation 2030 By 2030, the Pepe cost could revitalize to $0 the off chance that the pattern energy adjusts for fundamental consideration. Moreover, Pepe would hold a positive market opinion and be named as a drawn-out venture with profoundly productive return on initial capital investment. And if Pepe secures itself as a wise interest in 2023, this year would be positive for the digital currency. All in all, the bullish Pepe cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Nearly. The negative Pepe cost expectation for 2023 is $0. The off chance that there is a positive rise in the market energy and financial backers' opinion, then, at that point, Pepe could hit $0. Moreover, with future redesigns and progressions in the Pepe ecosystem, Pepe could outperform its ongoing all-time high of $0 market's new ATH. 1. What is Pepe? A deflationary memecoin sent off on Ethereum is Pepe. Pepe presents a novel contribution inside the image coin market by expanding upon the tradition of Pepe the Frog, a person with a long-standing and questionable history. 2. Where might you at any point purchase Pepe? Merchants can exchange Pepe on the accompanying cryptographic money trades like Binance, OKX, Deepcoin, CoinW, and Bitkit. 3. Will Pepe record another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and updates inside the Pepe stage, Pepe has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Pepe? Pepe hit its ongoing all-time high of $0 May 5, 2023. 5. What is the most reduced cost of Pepe? As per CoinMarketCap, Pepe hit its record-breaking low of $0 April 17, 2023. 6. Will Pepe hit $0? In the event that Pepe becomes one of the dynamic digital currencies that significantly keep a bullish pattern, it could energize to hit $0.